Hello YouTubers, it's Trains by Perry here, and if you remember from my last video unboxing, I said I was gonna get 3 more shipments. 2 showed up this week, and there they are in front of you. So now let's open one up and see what we got. There's probably gonna be lots of popcorn in these. That. Just so you get a better view. So this one has the new 4141 George Bush locomotive with sound, and it's in a special box as well. Alrighty, so we'll just put that one there for now, and we'll go with the next one, see what we got in that one. Popcorn. And this one is UP 9096, which is the unit on the funeral train that George Bush, it ran behind for the 4141. So there you have it. 2 units, and you'll see these running a little later. Thanks for watching, and have a terrific day. Bye.